So today we've got a 2012 Ford Fiesta 1.2 Zetec engine, petrol, with roughly 65,000 miles on the clock. So another item I'll be changing on the service on this Fiesta is the spark plugs, which are located underneath the leads here. Cylinders 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these HT leads, you should be able to just give them a little twist and pull them and they'll unclip. It's a regular spark plug socket size, which is 5/8. So there's the old plug, which looks pretty average really. I've got the new ones over here. When you get the plugs, they come with like a cardboard sleeve around them to prevent the gap getting squashed up, you know, if they get dropped. So, you know, they're generally fine straight out of the box, but you can look up a gap, and if you've got a set of feeder blades, check the gaps. I'll just generally put them all down on the bench and make sure they all look the same. Make sure none of them have been squashed up. If they have, you can just tweak this slightly with a pair of pliers to open the gap up, or give it a little tap to close it. Yeah, before I refit them, I always like to put a little bit of grease on there. It just makes it a bit smoother to put them in and easier to take out at the next service. So you can see I've put a little spot of copper grease on there. I mean, these plugs, they're about £5 each. Again, it really depends on the brand you buy. I mean, they're NGKs, which are a pretty good brand, but you can get like platinum tipped ones, which, you know, the price can be quite high on those. Probably around about £15 a piece for this particular engine, roughly. Right, just nip that up. And then clip your lead back on. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other three exactly the same. So that's all the spark plugs changed. HT leads clip back on. When you push them down, you should hear and feel a bit of a click when it locates home on the top of the plug. I'm just going to fire it up and make sure it runs okay. Give it a little rev. It ticks over fine. Yeah, that all sounds good. All that's left to do is give it a run round the block. It's good to try all different driving styles, you know, light throttle and hard acceleration, just to make sure there's no misfire there. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.